Hello there, and welcome back to another cooking video. Today, we're gonna cook the first tech challenge dish. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, in order for this dish to taste delicious, we're gonna need some ingredients. Here, 1 cup of robotics, 1 cup of programming, 5 cups of connecting and outreach, 5 cups of innovation. We're gonna need some teamwork. It's time to mix until we get our delicious first tech challenge. It's time for the taste test. It tastes delicious. But don't take my word for it. Here's some reactions to the dish.
Wow, what a nice bowl of FTC robotics. That was a good taste of discovery.
That's some delicious teamwork.
The innovation in that bowl was very delicious.
That gracious professionalism was delicious.